If you've been wondering how to view your creations in itch.io, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly where to find your projects inside the itch.io app so you can easily access the games, uploads, and pages you've created. This is a simple but really useful feature, especially if you manage more than one project and want a fast way to get back to your own content. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the itch.io app on your device. Once the app loads, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where itch.io keeps the main navigation options for your account and your library. In that sidebar, find and click on My Creations. This is the section that shows all of the projects connected to your account. So whether you've uploaded a game, a page, or another type of creation, this is where you'll find it. After you click My Creations, your creations should appear in the main panel of the app. From there, you can browse through your items, open the one you want, and manage it as needed. This is the easiest way to quickly check what you've published without digging through menus or searching manually. If you don't see what you expect right away, make sure you're signed into the correct account because your creations will only show up under the account that owns them. And that's it. Now you know how to view your creations in itch.io in just a couple of clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.